Hello YouTube. I always forget, my hands are all dirty. I always forget to clean them. So one of the things, you know, I'm not sure you'd want to see this, but my hand, I was just playing with flap discs. So anyway, what do we got for today? I didn't like buy a whole new thing of tools. It was actually, I went on a trip to Harbor Freight and I picked up, two things. I picked up Hercules 2-inch twist lock locking pad. And I was watching on another channel. Go check out Outlaw Edge. He was updating. He was fixing his ROLOC adapter. Arco was fixing it online, and I was like, "Where's mine? I haven't used them in a while." So I went to try to find it. I couldn't find my ROLOC adapter because I don't know where it went. So I was like, "Let me go look for it." I have a bunch of little. I went to a tool place and I picked up a few. So I went to the tool place, I picked up a few little ROLOC things. They didn't have the little adapter, or at least it was wicked expensive. So I was like, you know what? Actually, no, I already have an adapter, so I will just, use mine. Well, guess what? Mine disappeared. I think the ROLOC ferry took them all. So I was going to the US, and I was like, yeah, you know what? I'll go to Harbor Freight and pick one up. Try not to lose my finger doing this either with this knife. So I picked up a little Harbor Freight one. And what did I do with the discs? Jesus. I think like, alright, see, simple little adapter. See, comes in 2 pieces. Nothing fancy. So while I was there, I picked up 2 of them because, you always lose one. So I'm going to keep one in the package. One so it stays fresh and doesn't expire. And while I was at it, I picked up this little thing. It's a surface sanding disc kit, which, check how cute they are. Little, like, miniature ones. So while I was thinking of that, which of course I don't have a damn knife to cut this open, or scissors, so let me try to open this. I was like, hey, that's cute. It's right next to it. Just sucked into some more stuff. It was like $10. I think it was, all 3 of these was like under 20 bucks. But since the customs guy told me, he says, because I go through the commercial border, and the guy at the commercial border is like, yeah. I'm like, how come you guys never bother me about tools? He's like, I see millions of dollars worth of stuff. He says, they're a regular border. He says, what I go through in an hour, they probably see in a week. He says, we go through millions and millions of merchandise. He's like, I don't care what the hell you bring. He says, I'm here to do commercial business. So, bring more tools. So yeah, anyway, there's a big ROLOC, and see, this is the other one there, and it comes off like just like the other one, but it's the ROLOC thing. Oh yeah, see. So yeah, I'll put the camera down here. I'll show you. So anyway, there's light on. Oh wait, light's not plugged in. What the hell, man? No light plugged in. Slacking. Surface disc kit. 3 surface conditioning kits, 120, 240, 320, 6 abrasive pads, and 60, 100, 180 grit, 2 each, 1-inch rubber pad. Okay, now, here's my question. We have these really cute ROLOC discs. They just lock in there. You can probably put them on the big one, too. Yeah, they even fit on the big one. I was there, I was like, yeah, okay, this is cool. Bought this little kit, blah, blah, blah. Get into some little tight spaces. Now where the hell do you buy them this big? That's my other question. Where the hell do you buy them that small? I've never, I'm gonna have to buy them online because I ain't never seen any place around here that sells 1-inch discs. They're really cute. I mean, look, you got a little tiny pad there. You have the little abrasive pad. You have the coarser one. That's it. And you got the little one that looks like somebody pooped all over it. You have another one that I don't know what the hell thing is. It's got, you've got dust on it. And the one that looks like a bad hair day. So yeah, got all these discs. But where the hell do you buy 1-inch? I'm sure there's a place online. There's always some place online that sells them. But no place do I know sells these. that was my only little beef. Where do I get replacements? So after I burn up these in like 3 minutes, and what are they, like $4 each? Because, oh, they're smaller, you know, $4 a piece. Or do I just keep going back to Horror Freight and buying this kit? And I'm sure something's going to happen with this, because every time I buy Harbor Freight stuff, it's like, just my luck, the glue will unhinge and this will fly off. Or they're so out of whack that they won't stay on here. I mean, like this I can use for all of them. Not a big deal. But, see, at least there's, and I'm sure they're all made the same plant somewhere, but someplace in China. See, there we go. Maybe I can demill scale my whole bench here. So anyway, that's my latest and greatest thing. So if you need a cheap ROLOC disc thing, go to Horror Freight. I'm sure I'll find out it sucks donkey balls. But for now, I'll tell you, for now it works great. See, wee. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos.